Hello guys, welcome here guys, good evening. I'm here guys to talk with you about the kitchen. I know guys you miss me doing vlogs in the kitchen. I know you miss me watching in the kitchen, what I'm doing in the kitchen. And I know that your favorite views in me. I know your favorite I know your favorite shows that you watch from me is from the kitchen. So guys, I cannot be in the kitchen every day because my parents are there in the kitchen. They are the one who is in the kitchen. What I want in the kitchen, guys, is when doing vlogs in the kitchen, I'm alone. I am the one there in the kitchen because I don't want distraction in the kitchen. I know, guys, that your favorite part that I'm doing in the kitchen is talking with you, in front with you while I'm eating the table, especially in breakfast or dinner. And especially I'm cooking in the kitchen, especially I'm preparing my breakfast or dinner in the kitchen. So, I know you miss it, guys, but don't worry, I will find a way, guys, that I can do it in the kitchen, guys, to make vlogs again in the kitchen, that I'm only alone there. I don't want distractions, guys, in the kitchen. I don't want other people